Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the section of Constitution of India, as we are studying in detail about the right to equality, today we are going to see about Article 17 and Article 18. So first, let's start with Article 17, that is abolition of untouchability. Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes the practice of untouchability. The practice of untouchability is an offense and anyone doing so is punishable by law. It can be termed as one of the earliest efforts made in direction of social reforms. Since the article contemplates the practice of untouchability to be a punishable offense, the legislature enacted the Protection of Civil Liberties Act 1955. Civil Liberties Act of 1955, which was previously known as Untouchability Act, that is Offences Act of 1955, to prescribe punishment for untouchability and other practices connected with it. The word untouchability has not been defined either under Article 17 or the Protection of Civil Liberties Act 1955. The term has not been used in the article in a literal or grammatical sense. It actually refers to an social disabilities historically imposed on certain classes of people by reason of their birth in certain castes and would not include instigation of social boycott by reason of conduct of their certain persons. The record Harijan prime facies refers to an untouchable. Untouchability is an integral part of the caste system and is not based on mens rea. The mens rea means guilty or mind. Now let's discuss about Article 18. Article 18 states about abolition of titles. It is worth noting over here that abolition of titles has very different meaning than taking literal meaning. Article 18 of Constitution prohibits the states from conferring any titles. Citizen of India cannot accept titles from a foreign state. The British government had created an aristocratic class known as Rai Bahadurs and Khan Bahadurs in India. These titles were also abolished. However, military and academic distinctions can be conferred on citizens of India. The awards of Bharat Ratna and Padma Vibhushan cannot be used by the recipient as a title and do not accordingly come with the Constitution's prohibition. The Supreme Court on December 15, 1995 upheld the validity of such awards. So this is all about Article 17 and Article 18 of the right of equality in fundamental rights of Constitution. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such updates to our channel. Also press the bell button to get the latest updates to our videos. Thank you.